Hello my angels, subscribe to my obsession and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss any update. Welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I'm here with this inspired makeup look of Komolika from the serial Kasauti Zindagi Kay Part 2, and this is the Komolika inspired makeup look aka Hina Khan's look. So this is how the look turned out. I curled my hair but then curls never stays on my hair, so this is what I have come up with, but I hope you guys will surely enjoy this makeup look. The bindi part was crazy because I had to remove this for 3 times and do it again and again and again, but yeah, finally I achieved the exact bindi what Hina is wearing on this entry look of hers. So I hope you guys will surely enjoy this makeup look, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and even hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading a video. And even to get all the behind the scenes, don't forget to follow me on my social medias. Everything is in the description box. So do check out, and yeah, without wasting much time, please get into this video. I'm gonna start by filling in my brows, and for that I'm going with this LA Girl Inspiring Brow Kit in the shade medium. So first I'll be going with the wax. As I have seen Hina Khan's pictures, her eyebrows are nicely filled in and it's really deep and dark, so I'm going to create the same. And then I will be going with the light brown shade, and I'm going to start with the inner parts of my eyebrows. And now I'll be going with the dark brown, and then I'll be going with this on the other half of my brow. Now with the spoolie, I'm just going to comb through my brows. And now I'm going to apply some concealer, and for that I'm going with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. And I'm just going to clean up the edges of my eyebrows. And now even I'm going to apply this concealer on the eyelids area so my eyes are primed before the eyeshadow. So done filling in my brows, moving on to my primer, and for that I am going with this L'Oreal Base Magique. And I'll be going with this on the areas I have little pores and even on the T-zone area, and blend it out with my fingers. And now for the foundation, I'll be going with this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. And now I'm going to apply this with a damp beauty sponge and dab it all over my face. Now I'm going to conceal and highlight my face, and for that I'm going with this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. And I'll be going with this on the usual areas I normally highlight and conceal. And I'll even go with extra underneath my eyes because Hina Khan, she had a pretty highlighted face. And now again I'm going to blend this with the same sponge. And now I'm going to contour my face, and for that I'm going with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast. And I'm going to contour my face with this. Now Hina Khan, she had a very beautiful contoured chiseled face, so I'm going to achieve the same. And again blending this out. And now I'll be going with this shade right here from Wet n Wild Contour Palette. And I'm going to set the concealed and highlighted area of my face. And this is a banana powder which is going to help me brighten those areas where she had a very highlighted glow. Like underneath her eyes, it was well highlighted, so I'm going to do the same. And even I'm applying the same powder on my lids and even set the other parts of my face. And now from Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze and Brighten Flesh Palette, I'm going with this bronzer shade. And I'm going to further bronze up my face for that nice sun-kissed look. And now I'll be going with Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and I'm going to tight line with this. I'll even go with this on the bottom lash line, and even I'll be going with this on the upper lash line. And you don't have to be perfect with this because we are anyways going to smudge this out. And now I'm going to smudge it with this brush right here. And I'll be going with little amount of black right here. And this is the Makeup Revolution Run Boy Run palette. And I'll be going with this brown shade from the same palette again. And then I'll be going with this red right here to get that warm toned brick red brown. And this is the PAC eyeshadow number 15. This is a refill pan from PAC Cosmetics, and I'm mixing both these colors and applying this on the eyelids area. And even I'm going to blend this with the black eyeshadow which I have applied previously. And I'm even going to slightly wing this on the outer V. And now I'm going to curl up my lashes for the mascara. As you guys already know, I don't like wearing false lashes, and for that I'm just skipping that part. If you want, you can go with nice pair of wispy lashes, because she had a very beautiful light wispy lashes and it was looking extremely beautiful on her. But it's not my personal preference, so I'm going with Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline. And I'll be going with this on the top and even on the bottom lashes. And I'll be going with generous amount of coats. And today I'll be going with two blushes. I'm going to mix both these colors. This is the Milani Romantic Rose. This is the powder blush, and this is the Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze Brighten Flesh palette. And I'm going with this pink blush right here. I'm going to mix both and apply on the apples of my cheeks. Just because she had a very light blusher going on, I'm mixing both the colors right here. And she had a very soft, subtle glow. And for that, I'm going with this highlighter right here, Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate Highlighter. And I'll be dusting this on the high points of my face. And I'm going with a damp beauty sponge and bounce this on the areas I have applied the highlighters. And this is going to pick up the excess highlighter from my face. Now before the lipstick, I'm going with a nude lip liner, and this is the NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Pink. I'm going to line my lips with this, as well as I'm going to fill in my lips with it. And this is what I got, which is very similar to her lipstick. And this is the Maybelline Color Show Mysterious Mocha in the number M304. That's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this look. I absolutely loved while filming, because all the effort which I made for this video was worth, and I hope you guys will surely appreciate it, because even all the jewelries are made by me. Like as you can see, the nut, the earring, and this one you have already watched in many of my videos. Only the rings are not made by me, of course, but then I hope you guys will surely enjoy. So let me know if you really like these jewelries. I'll be really happy to know from you guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. And that's it for today's video. We'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, love you all. Take care. Mwah. Bye. Please click on the images so you can watch my previous videos, and if you really want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are given below, and even you can follow me on my blog page. And for subscribing to my channel, please click on the image. And thank you so much for watching. Please wait for the next one.